आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone, the question is the random variable x can take only the values 0, 1, 2 if probability at x is equals to 0 is equals to probability at x is equals to 1 is equals to p and e of x square is equals to e of x, then find the value of p. So basically in this question we have given that x is equals to 0, 1, 2 and we have given that px at x is equals to px at x is equals to 0 is p and at x is equals to 1 is also p, right? This is what is given in the question. So let us assume that px at x is equals to 2 is x. Therefore we can say that p plus x is equals to 1, since we know the sum of all the probabilities equals to 1. So if we find the value of x from here, so we'll be having x is equals to this p plus p is 2p and 2p goes to the RHS side, will become 1 minus 2p. So we have the value of x. Therefore we can say that now we have the following distribution where x and px, where at x is equals to 0 our px is p, and at x is equals to 1 our px is again p, and at x is equals to 2 our px is 1 minus 2p, which is basically x, but we have figured out it as 1 minus 2p. So these are our following distribution. Therefore we can say that e of x is basically the summation, which is basically the summation of x into px, right? X into px. So it will be equals to 0 into p plus 1 into p plus 2 into 1 minus 2p, right? Now let's find the value. So 0 into p is 0, which we can neglect, and 1 into p is p, and 2 into 1 is 2, minus 2 into 2p is minus 4p. So if we solve it, we'll be having p minus 4p is minus 3p. So we can say that 2 minus 3p, this is our ex, right? Therefore ex square will be equals to summation of x square into p of x will be equals to 0 into p, right, plus 1 into p, right, plus this will be 4 into 1 minus 2p, right? So this will be 0 into p will becomes 0, because 0 into anything multiplied with 0 is 0, so we can neglect this. 1 into p is p, plus 4 into 1 is 4, minus 4 into 2p is minus 8p, and minus 8p plus p is minus 7p, so we can say that 4 minus 7p. Therefore our e at x square is equals to 4 minus 7p. Now it is given that since it is given that e at x square equals to e of x, it is given in the question, right? Therefore we can equate both the values. Therefore we can say that 4 minus 7p is equals to 2 minus 3p. Now let's solve it. So if 2 come to the LHS side, it will become 4 minus 2 equals to, if we move this minus 7p to the RHS side, it will become 7p minus 3p. Now let's solve it. So it will be 4 minus 2 is 2 equals to 7p minus 3p is 4p. Therefore our p will be, therefore p will equals to 2 upon 4, right? And we know both 2 and 4 have a common factor, that is 2. Therefore it will be become 1 and this will become 2. Therefore p is equals to 1 upon 2, which is what we have asked in the questions. Therefore we can say that the p is equals to 1 upon 2 is the answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।